Man.
Hoverworld Productions, professional drone pilots, where dreams become memories.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Hoverworld Productions, where we bring you tips and tricks on how to run the drone business. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at a house inspection, only the roof. We're gonna be using an Inspire 2 to do the photos and the video for this job. And I got my heated gloves, so that's awesome because it's still freaking cold here in Chicago. There is about 22-mile winds, but I'm very confident that our drone will be able to take it. We're gonna have another video at a closer look at the heated gloves, so we can show you exactly what they do, but they're amazing. I'm warm, I'm able to stay out here for an hour plus without having to go in and warm up, which helps out a lot when you're doing these jobs, especially in the winter, because obviously we still have to operate in the winter, and it's just something you're definitely gonna need. Because before in our videos you saw we had gloves, but they weren't heated, and they weren't as responsive when it was cold, and these work amazing. So stay tuned for that video. So it's a flat roof. There's not much to record. It's actually a fairly small house, so it looks fairly simple. We're gonna include some footage in here because this is not a private listing or anything like that, so we can go ahead and include that in the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know if you have any suggestions, any comments, and let's get to it. As you can see, guys, there's a lot of wind. The drone is having some work to keep it stabilized. So definitely a bigger drone, much better for these conditions. This wind is ridiculous. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with wind gusts, but there's winds changing from say 20 miles, 30, back down to 15, and then the drone is just like, just going all crazy. That's really unprofessional when you're trying to do a video or photos, because it's going like
do it again.
I'm not doing this, guys. This is the wind. It's doing by itself. It's trying to hold its position. This is what I mean by the wind gust. You gotta be very careful when you're next to trees or next to power lines, because it can change and it'll just smash into something. So you gotta be very, very careful. And so this is the risks of recording when there's wind. We're done. The wind and the gust was just ridiculous. I try to hold it straight. I even put it in the tripod mode by going to smart flight modes right here. Didn't work at all. It was actually worse because I wasn't able to control it at all. So flying in high winds, really don't recommend it, so don't try this at home. But thank you for tuning into the channel. This is Hoverworld Productions. And as always, we're going to bring you tips and tricks and how to run the drone business. See you guys in the next one.